The article discusses India's multifaceted crisis, including unemployment, social unrest, ecological degradation, and democratic erosion. Recent events, such as protests by the unemployed, natural disasters, and conflicts in Manipur, underscore the growing issues. In response, 85 people's movements and civil society organizations, under the national platform Vikalp Sangam, released a People's Manifesto for a Just, Equitable and Sustainable India. The manifesto addresses economic challenges, advocating for small-scale manufacturing, sustainable agriculture, and decentralized energy. It also calls for political reforms, curbing the black economy, wealth taxation, and decentralization of power. The manifesto emphasizes environmental concerns, urging organic farming and renewable energy adoption. Despite past attempts, the article highlights the need for citizens' vigilance and proactive engagement.
The article highlights the 3-month mark of the Gaza war, which has spread to Lebanon, Iraq, Yemen, and Iran. Key events include an Israeli drone strike in Beirut killing Hamas leader Saleh al-Rouri, explosions in Iran targeting General Qasem Soleimani's mausoleum, and the US announcing targeted killings in Iraq. Over 22,000 Palestinians have been killed, and nearly 2 million displaced. Israeli operations expanded to the West Bank, raising concerns about Prime Minister Netanyahu pursuing escalation. The lack of a clear strategy from major players, including the US and Arab states, emphasizes the need for Saudi Arabia to play a pivotal role in ushering in peace.
Tensions between India and the Maldives have escalated after 3 Maldivian ministers criticized Prime Minister Modi in tweets, leading to their suspension and diplomatic summoning. The tweets accused Modi of promoting Lakshadweep at the expense of the Maldives, fostering close ties with Israel, and included derogatory remarks about Indians. Despite the tweets being deleted and ministers suspended, the incident has strained relations. The Maldivian president, Mohammad Muizzu, elected on an India Out platform, chose Turkey as his first bilateral destination, breaking tradition, and is now visiting China. India and the Maldives must reassess their responses to prevent further damage.
The article discusses the recent controversy over the wearing of hijabs in classrooms in Karnataka, India. The Chief Minister initially announced the withdrawal of restrictions imposed by the previous BJP government but later clarified the decision was under consideration. The author highlights the global debate on Wales and questions regarding Muslim women's right to choose, state intervention, Islamic provisions on gender freedom, and the clash between state policy and religious practices. The article criticized the Western colonial perception of Islam and parallels Hindutva's majoritarian agenda, emphasizing the need for respect for minority rights and individual choices.
Boeing's 737 MAX faced another setback when a cabin panel blew out of an Alaska Airlines MAX 9, leading to emergency landings and the grounding of many MAX 9 planes. The US, the largest customer for 737 MAX planes, saw Alaska Airlines and United Airlines grounding their MAX 9 fleets due to loose bolts issues. Indian Airlines, which operate 44 planes of the 737 MAX 8 type, reported no impact from inspections. The 737 MAX, despite past issues, remains Boeing's most ordered and delivered aircraft, constituting around 70% of its recent orders and deliveries.
The Supreme Court overturned the remission granted by the Gujarat government to 11 convicts in the Bilkis Bano gang rape and murder case during the 2002 Gujarat riots. The convicts were sentenced to life imprisonment by a CBI trial court in Mumbai in 2008 for crimes committed in Gujarat in March 2002. The remission, obtained through the Gujarat government's 1992 policy, was set aside by the Supreme Court, declaring it a nullity and ordering the surrender of the convicts. The court ruled that Maharashtra, where the sentencing occurred, is the appropriate government to consider remission petitions.
As winter set in across northern India, fog affected several states in late December 2023 and early 2024. Regions in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh experienced minimum temperatures of 6 to 9 degrees Celsius, with New Delhi, South Rajasthan, and North Madhya Pradesh recording 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. Dense fog, reducing visibility to as little as 50 meters, impacted areas in Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Uttarakhand. The fog caused significant disruptions in air travel, with nearly 450 flights delayed or cancelled at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport on 27 December.
A high-energy cosmic ray event named Amaterasu has been discovered by Japanese scientist Toshihiro Fujii, the second highest energy cosmic ray ever found. Discovered through data analysis from the Telescope Array project, the Amaterasu cosmic ray has an energy of 240 exa electron volt (eV), approximately 40 million times higher than the energy produced by the Large Hadron Collider. It is suggested that the cosmic ray may have originated from an unknown astronomical phenomenon or new physical origins beyond the Standard Model. The discovery could enhance efforts to identify similar events and improve understanding of their properties.